Welcome to Oromia, the heart of Ethiopia and the nation's largest regional state, today. We count down the top 10 largest administrative zones. Starting our countdown at number 10 is West Showa. This zone is renowned for its lush greenery and high-yield agricultural lands. At number 9, we find East Showa. It is a vital economic hub, blending industrial development with the dramatic scenery of the Rift Valley. Ranking 8 is West Tarsi. This region is famous for its stunning mountain ranges and high plateaus de Tofe, breathtaking vistas of central Ethiopia. In the 7th spot is Hima, known as the birthplace of coffee. Hima features deep rainforested hills and historic coffee plantations. Number 6 brings us to Iswayega. This zone is characterized by its extensive farmlands and beautifully undulating hills that stretch to the horizon. Entering the top 5 is West Wayega. It is a region of vast, rugged landscapes and deep river valleys that showcase nature's raw power. At number 4 is East Har'aa. This area is distinguished by its dramatic mountain scenery and ancient, hand-carved agricultural terraces. Number 3 is Guhi. A true hidden gem, Guhi is home to beautiful forest-covered mountains and peaceful, traditional rural settlements. Serruner Rapid Borena, its extensive semi-arid plains serve as vital routes for nomadic pastoralists, representing a unique cultural landscape. And finally, the largest zone in Oromia is Bay. This massive territory is home to the world-famous Bay Mountains National Park. Bay and Borena alone account for nearly 45% of Oromia's land. It's a land of incredible biodiversity and diverse wildlife. Oromia's geography is truly vast and diverse. From the coffee forests of the west to the arid plains of the south, which of these zones surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And follow for more amazing geography facts.